In this video, we'll show you how to replace the map sensor on your Chevy Colorado. This is located on top of the engine. Let's get started. Looking underneath the engine cover towards the front of the engine, we have a hose clamp. We can use a flathead screwdriver or an 8mm. Go ahead and loosen that up. On the passenger side of the engine bay, we have another hose clamp holding our engine cover to the air intake box. Loosen that up. Go ahead and free that up from the intake box. Looking towards the back side of the engine on the driver's side, we can pull up on this hose, and that's going to come with the engine cover. We can remove the oil cap. We have a T30 Torx bit right in the front of the engine cover. And we can pick up on the engine cover. And we can set this off to the side. Reinstall the oil cap. Looking at the top of our intake manifold, over on the passenger side, there's a small electrical connector with a tab on top. Press in on the tab and pull towards the back of the vehicle. Whenever you unplug an electrical connector, you want to check for any damage or corrosion. That looks okay. Using a T30 Torx bit, we can remove the screw. We can remove the sensor. We'll get the map sensor down. Make sure it is fully seated down. Get our screw in place. Just start that in by hand. Snug that down. This doesn't need to be too tight. And plug in your electrical connector. Make sure that that's fully locked in, not going to pull back out. On the underside of our engine cover is part of our air intake system. We need to line up this grommet with the throttle body and this grommet with our air intake box. As you line up the engine cover, we need to line up the boots with each other. Reinstall the oil cap. And get the screw into the front portion of the cover. We'll snug that down. And get the hose on the back side into place. Make sure it's in the clip as well as seated all the way down into the rubber hose. Tighten down each of your hose clamps for the intakes. Start up the vehicle and make sure you don't have a check engine light. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.